Hey guys, I'm Troy Raucho, and in this video of mine, I'm going to show you how to make a electric wire loop game on a breadboard. It's fun to play with family and friends. Components required for this project are a breadboard, a wire which I've connected using two pins, a buzzer, a LED, a 9-volt battery. Also make sure to the positive side of the 9-volt battery you have to make a loop. So let's get started. First insert the positive side of the battery, that is the loop, inside the wire. Now connect the buzzer, the positive side of the buzzer, to the other end of the wire, and the negative side of the buzzer should get connected to the negative side of the battery. Connect the LED in the same way you connected the buzzer. Now connect the negative side of the battery. Our circuit is complete. Now you can enjoy playing this electric wire loop game. You can change the wire to make it difficult or easy. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed this video.